Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde has asked all chief ministers to ensure that no innocent person of the minority community is unduly detained. Nikunj is reporting on the story. Nikunj, we believe that the Home Minister has written to all chief ministers?
Well, yes, that's indeed correct. I had a word with the Home Minister about an hour back, in which he confirmed to us that he has indeed written to all chief ministers of all the states yesterday, advising them, rather cautioning them that there should be special precautions that should be taken while arresting the youth belonging to the minority, and also during the criminal jurisprudence processes that will follow the arrest of any accused person. This letter, I must tell you, was in the pipeline for some time now. The Home Minister and the Ministry of Home Affairs had actually discussed this issue with the Chief Ministers also at the National Integration Council meeting. I beg your pardon. And post that, Mr. Shinde was not in town for some time, and when he returned yesterday itself, he himself told me today that yesterday itself he has written a letter to the administrators, chief ministers, and lieutenant governors and governors of the state about the need to be extremely cautious and sensitive in effecting the arrest of youth of the minority community, and also more importantly that the criminal jurisprudence processes that follow, like if they have been incarcerated in a jail for a long time, their cases should be reviewed, and there should be a proper legal review of the cases in which fresh evidence has also come to light, like we have seen in many terror cases which have been transferred to the National Investigative Agency.
मेजॉरिटी को जेल में भेज सकते हैं, ये क्या तरीका है? ये गैर संवैधानिक है, बहुत आपत्तिजनक है, ये राजनीति से प्रेरित है, वोट बैंक के कारण से चुनाव को नजर में रख के माइनॉरिटीज को अपना वोट देने के लिए केंद्र गृह मंत्री ने एक गलत आदेश जारी किया है। कांग्रेस पार्टी इस देश में मजहब के आधार पर राजनीति चलाना चाहते और लोगों को माइनॉरिटी मेजॉरिटी के रूप में डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं। हम इसको विरोध करते हैं और सरकार से मांगते हैं इस आदेश को वापस करना चाहिए। जब हम सत्ता में आएगा, हम आदेश देंगे, कानून के सामने सब लोग एक है। किसी को गिरफ्तार करने के पहले उनका जाति, उनका मजहब, उनका हाइट, उनका वेट, उनका रंग, ये नहीं देखना चाहिए। कानून के सामने सब लोग समान है। उनका ऊपर जो आरोप आया, वो आरोप में कितना दम है, कितना सच है, कितना बेसिक एविडेंस है, उसको देख के किसी के ऊपर कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, गिरफ्तारी करना चाहिए। ऐसा आदेश जारी करेंगे हम लोग।